Now, can you describe a particularly challenging moment in the boot camp that you faced and how you overcame it?
Yeah, I mean, if I get brain fog while I'm trying to explain something, I mean, I
Okay.
guess that's normal, but if code is involved, then it's just like an extra layer of depth that is you have to just focus on the concept. And it's hard when you're learning because sometimes you have to memorize a little bit, and but really what it comes down to is understanding what you're memorizing, and then it'll just all pieces will fit together better. And this, this kind of practice and all of these show and tells and mock interviews and hands-on, it all makes sense. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.